miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Beautyytb. We have worked with them a whole bunch of times, y'all, okay? If you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig. You'll see a coupon code. And you know what else you'll see on your way down there? The subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 50K by my birthday in April. All right, so I have no idea what's in this box. All I did was take it out of the packaging because I like to look at it with y'all. All right, now, look in the box. Not only did they give us the wig, they also gave us a bag of little goodies. I don't know, I see a little ring box in there. Maybe they found me a husband or wife. Okay, they put, now that is clutch. One of those velvet grips with lace in it. Some stocking caps. Some eyelashes. This box. Y'all think they done sent me my mate? What's in here? Oh, it's a necklace. What a cross on it, you know. You're right, I can just hold on. I know he making somebody for me. I know when I say that, God be up there like. All right, so those little goodies are always nice to have, but what y'all care about is this wig. I'm gonna read directly off of here, but like I said, looking at the description box, you'll see what it is. This is a straight 28-inch wig. 28 inches, Lord. Okay. Ooh, yeah, this 28 inches all right, y'all. Oh. That is so pretty though, huh? 28 inches of goodness, and y'all look at this construction. Y'all know this is my thing. I love a 4x4, 5x5, 6x6 because it's easy. It's gonna give you the ease of synthetic, but with human, okay? You get a comb in the back, adjustable straps. And in the front, you get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and you get that 4x4 area. It might be I think that's 4x4. Look at the description box, a parting space. Y'all, this wig is going to be so easy. I'm gonna get my flat iron though, because before we cut off that little strip, oh my God, y'all. Oh my goodness, okay? I'm 5'5", and that's where it falls, y'all. And look, so you don't have to wear it down the middle. You can shift it to the right, you can shift it to the left. It's just you have to part anywhere in that lace. So say you don't want to shift it, you could honestly just come over and make you a right part. You could do the same over here, you guys. Y'all, it's been a long time since I had some human hair that I was this excited about. I don't know when this is being uploaded, but I'm leaving for Iceland. I'm going to Iceland. I know. In the middle of you know what, and but I'm going. This coming with me. I've been sitting here trying to really figure out what hair I was gonna bring. And y'all, this is it. Look how easy, and y'all know I don't even know how to do baby hairs. Y'all, look at how easy and beautiful this wig is in the body. And if you've been rocking me for a while, you know I really don't like long hair. Shit, I'm bald, right? This wig, y'all. The construction on it make it easy. Yeah, I could even while I'm in the airport, pull it up, put in a ponytail. How cute is that? Just a little low ponytail. Everything about this wig is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I 1000% recommend this one. 28 might be too long for you, but y'all, I could 20. Look, at 2 inches, that's cute. Just get you that much hair. Look how cute, right? This is it, y'all. This is it. This wig is so beautiful. As a matter of fact, Beauty Forever actually sent us another wig. I think I'm gonna go ahead and film that one too, because I'm excited to see the quality that I'm gonna get, baby, because this one here is it. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Jessica. Maybe it's your Uncle Jesse, whichever one, send them my way, and me and Beauty for Hair will get them together. This is it. Oh Lord, hold up, my phone, somebody was calling. Y'all, this is it. Go get this one. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.